Want to pump up your Google My Business profile with instant reviews, but hitting a wall? Let's get real about reviews the right way. First off, let's be crystal clear: you can't directly add reviews to your Google My Business profile yourself and have them appear as authentic. Google's smart. They know the difference between a real customer experience and a forced review. Trying to sneak in fake reviews, even positive ones, is a big no-no. Google's algorithms are designed to spot inauthentic activity, and it can lead to penalties, like your listing being demoted or even suspended. So, what can you do? Focus on earning genuine reviews, provide outstanding service, make your customers happy, and then simply ask them to share their experience on Google. Make it easy for them. Create a direct link to your review page, use QR codes in your store, or send out polite follow-up emails after a purchase, but never offer incentives for a positive review. That's against Google's guidelines. And don't be afraid of negative reviews. Respond professionally and show that you're committed to improving. This actually builds trust with potential customers, showing you care about their feedback. Building a solid reputation with genuine reviews takes time and effort, but it's the only sustainable way to build trust and credibility on Google My Business. So, focus on providing excellent service, earning those real reviews, and watching your business thrive. That's it for today. And remember to subscribe for more tips on growing your business online.